Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most unique and amazing ideas of crochet table runners. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs of table runners in this video. All of these designs are of patchwork as you can see, and very attractive and beautiful patterns are included in this video, which are made with 4 to 5 contrasting color schemes as you can see, and all of these designs are having different flower coaster patterns in them mostly. Most of the designs which I have included in this video are having flower coaster patterns, but you will see just a few of the designs in square shape also, and these designs are mostly having 4 to 5 rounds in them, and these are made with mostly double crochet stitch, and these are joined with different methods as well. Most of the designs are just joined with the help of single crochet stitch, and in most of these designs join as you go method is used. So I hope you're gonna love these designing ideas. So if you love them, just give this video a big thumbs up as well, and if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos, let me know in the comments as well. Many of the crochet coaster tutorial videos and lace doilies pattern are already available on my channel, and if you are interested in seeing a table runner pattern with patchwork, just let me know in the comments. Some of the simple crochet patterns of table runners without patchwork are already available on my channel, and I will make the patchwork patterns for you as well if you are interested in seeing them. So don't forget to share your opinion in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this as well, and crochet tutorial videos also, because other than these kinds of ideas videos, I also upload crochet tutorial videos on my channel which are related to different baby accessories like baby headbands, baby baby dresses, shoes, and baby caps, etc. So I hope you're gonna love them all. So if you love them, just give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe, and also share this video with other handmade products lovers in your circle so that they can also get benefit from these type of ideas videos which contain latest trends. And ideas videos are not only related to crochet work. I upload almost all types of handmade products ideas videos on my channel which are related to wearable accessories of women and kids, and related to home decoration ideas, related to macrame work, hand knitted projects ideas, crochet work, and crafting related ideas as well. So thank you for watching.